When the Department of Energy took over their site, they had several things they had to do, and one of them was to solidify about 1 million gallons of high-level waste into a solid form. And then the requirement was whatever equipment you use to solidify that waste, you need to package it and dispose of it off-site. So we had a big milestone of being able to solidify that all waste into the canisters, and we did. So the next part is, well, how do you get rid of the waste that you generated? So basically, we had the biggest vessels that are in there are these three. We designed the packages, and they're getting ready to ship them out.
12 years ago is when they came out of the building and they were put down here onto this pad, awaiting transportation for disposal.
We have put a lot of energy to get this to ship. We have a tremendously well-trained group here. Our workforce is just second to none.
We've been planning this for a long time and talking about it for a long time. And finally, with these leaving the site, it's like, yes, our plans are working and we're getting waste out of here, and there's nowhere to go but do more.
Today we're getting ready to move one of the 3 packages from the site here in West Valley to the rail yard in Blaisdell, New York. The package that we're moving today was moving on what's called a perimeter frame trailer, roughly 130 tires.
A very large truck. I've never seen a truck bigger. The truck's going to take it up to the railhead, and then it will be put on the rail line, and then the rail line will take it to Waste Control Specialists, which is in Andrews, Texas.
We were one of the first sites to ever do vitrification of this liquid material. And we will be now the first site to ever complete that cycle and get those packages to a final disposal. So DOE, and as a site and as a team, we've met that commitment to vitrify that 1 million gallons of waste, convert it into a solid, stable form, and then take apart that facility we used to do those activities, and then dispose of the waste that was generated from that decommissioning of those facilities.
The big thing here is this contract is to get rid of waste to proper storage, safe storage. This is 3 big containers that now are going to be where they should be, not just waiting to go somewhere. And that's very important. We're cleaning the site up, and that's exciting to see.
Sometimes you hear, why does everything take so long? Why does it take so long to do this kind of work? Well, these are big, heavy boxes, and you want to do it right. And we are not going to sacrifice safety for doing it fast.
We are still called West Valley Demonstration Project, and I think what we're demonstrating here is the fact that we're actually getting it done. We may have had some slowdowns, but ultimately we're demonstrating that we are getting the job done, and it brings it all to fruition, really.
Very happy, somewhat relieved. It's been a long 12 years getting ready for this.
It really makes me feel great to see these up on the car. It was done safely. These are big, heavy pieces of equipment and big, heavy vessels. It's just a great relief, and it's a really great sense of pride. A lot of people contributed to this. It wasn't just one group, it was a real team effort. Awesome job.